Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my BMX race bike, and let's get into it. So here I have a Rival all black Expert XL frame, if you can see, and let's start off at the front. I have a box number plate, I have ODI Vans grips, I have an Answer brake lever, I have Tangent flat iron bars. I have Stay Strong red rims and hubs. I have my tires are Box Helix Lab. My fork is Box XL Box 1 forks. My side plate is also a box. And then coming here to the back, I have Box 4 cranks. I can't see there, but I'm fairly sure it's Answer Renin chainring. I have HT pedals. I have an Ignite seat, an Ignite clamp. I have Box 3 back levers. I have Tangent chain tensioners. And yeah, that's my bike. Let me know if you want more bike checks, less bike checks. Let's see.